Hi students, I am Prakash, Chartered Accountant, Academic Advisor, Masterminds, and I have been acting as the Academic Advisor of this organization for the past 19 years. First of all, let me congratulate all the students who have either qualified or failed in the recent results of all the stages of CA course. Remember, my dear students, we are studying a professional course. This is not like a 10th or intermediate or degree where everybody can qualify. And remember, in this kind of professional courses, so participating itself is a big achievement. For example, you can see large number of your friends who have not even attempted this kind of professional and challenging course, so and they have simply adjusted with, compromised with a normal degree course. That's why, so appearing for CA examinations itself is a very big achievement. That's why I thought of congratulating all. And special wishes to our student Pujita Reddy, who scored 362 out of 400 in the recent results of CA Foundation. And my deepest condolences to students who have lost any of their parents or any other close relatives due to Corona. And first of all, let me briefly introduce Masterminds, because there might be some students who are new to Masterminds. Masterminds was established in the year 2002, and it is undeniably the pioneer and the leader in MEC, CA and CMA coaching in India, with a lion's share of nearly 20,000 admissions per annum. So Masterminds is an incredible initiative by three visionary entrepreneurs, namely CA MSN Mohan, who is the admin advisor of this organization, CA N Radha, who takes care of our entire MEC division, and CA MSS Prakash, that is myself, from the same family at a very young age of 21 years under the successful mentorship of Mr. M. Siv Prasad, who is our father. Within the shortest time span, our presence has expanded from Guntur to Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada, Tirupati, Rajahmundry, Kurnool, as well as Nellore. So we offer best quality services for the following courses: MEC with integrated coaching for CA or CMA Foundation, and we also offer exclusive coaching for MEC or CEC. And recently we have launched MEC Pro for MBA and CLAT aspirants. We offer regular clash and study hours and revision exams batches, including MMTS services for all levels of CA or CMA courses. And our students have made us proud by achieving first rank for 47 times in various courses for which we offer coaching. Till now, our students have bagged 973 all India ranks in all stages of CA and CMA courses. Today, I am here to give complete information about the long-term batch of CA Inter, which is being offered by Masterminds. We can proudly say that ours is the only institute to offer this kind of unique service for CA Inter students. Generally, at CA Inter level, regular batch coaching will be given for both the groups at a time. But what we noticed is there are some students who feel that they can study still well if they take coaching one group after another. So exactly to cater the needs of such kind of students, we have designed the academic program of long-term batch. Now let us see how CA Inter coaching is going to be provided under this long-term batch. First, we will offer detailed coaching for group 1 in around 800 to 850 hours. And if you observe carefully, this is 100 hours more when compared to that of both groups students. That means we are going to teach each chapter slowly when compared to that of both groups students. Of course, when we are not in a position to form a separate batch for long-term batch, then it may not be possible. So after completion of group 1 coaching, we will conduct revision exams for 2 to 2.5 months. I think all of you are aware, Masterminds is very popular for offering the service of study hours and revision exams. As a part of this service, we will make the students to sit and study for the whole day, and we even conduct 2 revision exams a week. For CPB students, we will conduct, that is CPB means complete physical batch. We will conduct study hours as well as revision exams. And for the students of COB, COB stands for complete online batch. So we will conduct revision exams alone. That means the long-term batch coaching will be offered in 2 modes. One is complete physical batch, another one is complete online batch. So we will make the students to write Group 1 examinations in May 2022. Immediately after completion of Group 1 exams, we will start offering detailed Group 2 coaching for about 650 to 700 hours for Group 2. And that means from the end of May 2022 itself. After completion of Group 2 coaching, we will once again conduct revision exams for around 2 to 2.5 months in the second group. Of course, once again, for the students of CPB, we will conduct both study hours and revision exams, and for the students of COB, we will conduct revision exams alone. And we will make the students to write Group 2 examinations in November 2022. So, my question is it available in pre and post results batches of CA Inter? So, till the announcement of CA Foundation results, students of long-term batch will be made to sit along with both group students, because generally till the announcement of CA Foundation results, we will be teaching the subjects of Group 1 only. So after announcement of results, we will separate the students of long-term batch and will form a separate batch. Of course, if reasonable number of admissions happen. That means this facility will be available in long-term batch only. Now let us see the highlights of long-term batch. First one, this is designed based on the concept of slow and steady wins the race. Definitely there will be some students who can definitely perform well if we provide proper support to them. We cannot expect all the students to handle the pressure of both the groups at a time. Of course, every student can qualify in CA course, provided we provide enough support to him. For example, one fine day, one CA final student has sent a WhatsApp message to my number, so thanking me to guide him for his CA final examination. The wonderful observation he told is, sir, I am very much aware of my strengths and weaknesses, and I am very much clear that I cannot handle the pressure of both the groups at a time. So instead, the strategy that I have adopted is, in my first attempt, I have appeared for only 3 papers, and was able to get exemption in all the 3 papers. In my second attempt, I have appeared for only 3 papers, have prepared for 3 papers and appeared for 3 papers, and I got exemption in all the 3 papers. And in my last attempt, I have appeared for 2 papers. I qualified, that is, I got exemption in those 2 papers also. Now I am a qualified chartered accountant. That means he took 3 attempts to qualify his CA final, and in each attempt he appeared for only 3 papers. Even though he appeared for only 2 to 3 papers, now he is a successful chartered accountant, because he has designed strategy based on his own strengths and weaknesses. So this long-term batch is first of its kind in CA coaching industry, and we have a proven academic program introduced 6 years ago. So consistent blasting results are achieved by our students since the inception of this academic program, and targeting sure success in the first attempt itself. So pressure-free learning, because students need to focus only on one group. So classes for lesser number of hours compared to the students of both groups. Here we will be conducting classes for lesser number of hours, and students will get ample time and scope to revise the concepts on daily basis. Coaching and preparation will happen parallelly, because when students take coaching for both the groups, it is not so easy to do both the things parallelly. And Sunday holiday, because you can revise and relax on Sunday, and instead weekend exams will be conducted on every Monday. So PDP programs and every Sunday to sharpen your communication and interpersonal skills. Each chapter of Group 1 will be taught in a slower pace when compared to that of both group students, and if time permits, we will even conduct English improvement classes and handwriting improvement classes. So to whom this batch is suitable? In our opinion, this batch is very much suitable for students who are looking for classes to be conducted for lesser number of hours on each day, and what coaching and preparation to happen simultaneously, and some students will be searching to relieve themselves from the pressure of both the groups coaching. For such students, it is going to suit aptly. And some students expect the faculty to teach slowly than that of both groups batch. Even for that students, this is very much suitable. And students who are joining for CA Inter after announcement of results, that is post results batches, this is very much suitable, because generally every time CA Inter post results batches used to commence by July ending itself, but this time they are commencing by September 30. So as a result, you will not find any preparation time after completion of syllabus. The syllabus itself may take around April ending, and students need to appear for public examinations in May 2022. So several students may not be able to handle this. That's why for all these kind of students, this long-term batch is aptly suitable. So coaching will be offered in two modes, that is complete online batch and complete physical batch. In case of complete online batch, classes will be telecasted through Zoom platform. And all these services will be provided to the students of COB as well as CPB. How to take admission? If you want to join physically, then you need to come and visit the campus physically. If you want to join in online batch, then you need not come to our office physically. Entire admission process can be done in online. And other important points which every student needs to understand is, initially we will provide the materials of group 1 only. As and when we start coaching for group 2, we will provide the materials of group 2, because we have a policy of providing updated materials for each batch. So students need to join for ICA-TSS classes and plan for articleship only after completion of public exams in November 2022. And this academic program will be slightly different when compared to that of both the groups. Our own hostel facility is available at Guddur, and students shall visit head office and reserve their seat. Staying in hostel is mandatory for non-local students. Since we are offering more value-added services to the students of this unique batch, the fee charge will commensurate to the services offered. For the students who join for BCom through Masterminds, we will even conduct BCom classes for the same at the rate of 1 hour per day. If a reasonable number of students don't join for long-term batch, then we will make them to sit along with the students of both group students. And so whenever group 2 classes are going to be taught for the students of both group students, we will separate the students of long-term batch and we will conduct study hours under our staff supervision. So remaining things will remain same. Please do install our Android app Masterminds online classes, where you can find plethora of services. So in this app, you can find guidance classes for various subjects of all the levels of CSCMA courses. You can find regular and crash batch coaching for all the subjects of all the levels of CSCMA courses. Regular batch videos for some selective important chapters for all the levels of CSCMA courses. RRP videos, that is the rapid revision batch videos for all the subjects of all the levels of CSCMA courses. As a part of these RRP videos, we will be delivering the entire subject in just 20 to 25 hours. Masterminds test series, that is revision exams. So this service is also available directly in our app. If you belong to iOS platform, then install the app Class Plus and enter the organization code as MZGUN. So this is our physical presence as well as contact numbers. If you are interested to take admission in any of the courses being offered by Masterminds, then here are the contact numbers. Here are the details of our online presence. If you are interested to take admission in any of the courses being offered by Masterminds, then please do call 9881250250 or 26. My dear students, if you have any academic doubts and you would like to interact with me directly, then send a mail to my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com, and please don't forget to mention your mobile number in the mail. If needed, I will directly make a call to you and interact with you. All the best.